Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are discussing about a very important topic in the perspective of competitive exams and defense sector analysis and any type of competitive exam and like UPSC, SSC and another competitive exams. This is very important topic for in UPSC perspective. There is a question about that in essay writing. Okay. So don't forget like, share and subscribe and comment. Okay. Now let's start the video. ISRO mission. ISRO first mission of 2026 is PSLV. Okay. PSLV-C62. Okay. Here is the mission overview. The PSLV-C62 rocket will launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center on January 15, 2026. The mission focuses on deploying the EOS-N1 means Anvesha satellite, enhancing Indian capabilities in Earth observation, surveillance and data collection from various applications. Okay, here the EOS-N1 satellite, okay, plays a crucial role in Earth observation and defense surveillance. Designed with advanced hyperspectral imaging technology, it with enhanced strategic reconnaissance and capabilities enabling preserve and surveillance of critical areas and providing invaluable data from resources management and environmental monitoring. Okay, next, hyperspectral imaging. Okay, hyperspectral imaging data across multiple wavelengths beyond the visual spectrum, enabling detailed analysis of materials and objects. This technology enhances strategic reconnaissance and resource monitoring, providing critical advantages in detecting concealed elements in various terrains and environment. Okay, here is the main target. Okay, next, co-passenger satellites. ISRO PSLV-C62 mission features a collaborative effort with international partners launching multiple passenger satellites. The initiative showcases the power of global collaboration in space technology, enhancing capabilities for Earth observation, communication and scientific research across participating nations. Okay, next, setups and comebacks. Okay, these sections have highlight the resilience of ISRO during missions challenge, illustrating the process from warning to resolution. Each step emphasizes ISRO commitment to overcoming obstacles, ensuring mission success and showcasing innovative problem solving strategies in their space endeavors. And upcoming ISRO missions like PSLV N1 satellite launch and Gaganyaan human space flight mission and SSLV small satellite launch. Okay, here is the ISRO upcoming missions, and don't forget like, share and subscribe. Get in touch with us and follow on Instagram Investigation Hub. Thanks for watching, and that's all. Signing off. Goodbye.